Hello everybody, I just updated Studio for the March update and I wanted to go through it with you to show you what changes have been made. Before I begin, there is a small bug that's been added into the instruction maker, but I found if you close out Studio and relaunch it after you've done the update, it will fix the problem. The issue is that if you put a submodel in your instructions, when you go to the instruction maker in the page design view, it will show all of the model up to the point where you put in that submodel. So it blocks visuals for everything else. But as I said, all you have to do is close out Studio, restart, and it seems that that fixed the issue for me. I'll keep you updated on it. I'm sure that Studio will release a hotfix if it needs to be done. Let's get into the rest of it. First, they fixed a small bug in the render engine. If you switched between solid color and transparent, the X and Y values would change for the camera rotation. That seems to have been solved. They said there's been a performance upgrade in the instruction maker, so that'll be nice. That's also possibly where the bug got inserted. Hopefully they will have that hotfix soon though. If we go to the preferences options, we now have the choice to change the frame rate between 30 and 60. So I will do that and show you the difference. So here's 30. We'll grab one of the new parts. The movement's a little bit choppy, but if we go to 60, now our movement is much more smooth. So that's a nice little feature upgrade. They added 23 new parts. Quite a few prints, some from the ideas sets and creator sets, so that's neat. We have this beautiful little piece that is going to come in quite handy. I'm glad that we have that now in Studio. And they started loading in spike prime pieces. Unfortunately, it appears that these do not have any color value associated with them yet. So I think the only way you're going to be able to view those is if you go and click on hide unavailable colors and then see them from there. But you can change the colors to the proper colors that they come in the Spike Prime kits. One of the most anticipated features of this release is being able to move bricks to a step with dialogue, and that is fantastic. We can select our bricks, and then over in the step menu, right click, move to whichever step you want to move them to. That is going to save a whole lot of hassle in the future. So thank you, Studio team, for doing that. That is wonderful. And the last thing I am very excited about is the beta testing for the 3D object rendering. You can go to the Studio forum. I will post the link below, and you can sign up for the beta test for that. With that, you'll be able to take a object file and bring it into Studio and render it out in Lego bricks. So that is really exciting. I've had a few clients that have asked me to take objects and change them into Lego brick form, and this hopefully is going to make that so much easier. So I'm very excited about that. So that's the entire update. I think it's a pretty good one. I'm really excited about the 3D rendering and being able to insert steps like that. That's going to be fantastic. So give them a try once they get that hotfix in. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe and all of that stuff. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.